Alright, today we're going to be replacing side glass in this truck. First there's a couple bolts on this slashing. We'll have a little chrome clip. Put your fingers on this side of it and pull up, it comes out. There's one in the handle here, a few across the door. Then there will be a C-clip in this window crank. Okay, once you get that off, on here there's a little Torx bolt on the bottom of the mirror, and you unthread that, kind of shimmy her up. Then you want to burn this bolt out here. It holds a little bracket that blocks off the back of that spike that goes down from the window. That's that little bracket in there. Got to remove it. And then we want to remove that guy right there. Then on the top of the door you got 3 star screws. You want to remove them. Okay, so what you want to do after you get all those screws out, you want to take this piece of trim out from along the back side, and then you want to get your regulator all the way up, whatever this thing's called. Okay, and how you get this into the track is you kind of put in one edge and then you slide it sideways, and then it should drop down. And once you have the window in, get it pressed up against this side and slide your vent window back in. There, once she's all assembled, she's good to go. Those little clips did not make it on that weather stripping, so I just ran a bit of a bead of silicone in there and stick some cardboard, leave her overnight, should be good.